Hi everyone, I'm Meju. I made 닭도리탕, spicy chicken stew. It is cooked in spicy sauce with vegetables. Sometimes we cook them with noodles or 떡볶이떡, rice cake. After eating all the meat and vegetables, we can fry rice there. It's fantastic. Shall we make it? Okay. I'm gonna put chicken and 4 tablespoons of sugar into 2 cups and 1/2 of water, and then boil. When it starts to boil, add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, carrots, and potatoes. After 5 minutes, add onion, mushroom, and 8 tablespoons of red pepper flakes. I'm using mild hot red pepper flakes. If you don't like hot spicy, put 1/2, just 1/2. Cover the lid and simmer over high heat for about 30 minutes. Stir it occasionally to prevent sticking. Now, the soup has boiled down. I have put ground garlic, green onions, and red peppers in it, and boil for 1 more minute. Finally, I'm gonna add some pepper and sesame oil. Wow, this chicken is very moist. The soup is sweet and spicy. Try it with a bowl of warm rice. And you can dip this chicken in this soup. It's awesome.